Claude AI offers voice mode for both mobile and desktop, allowing you to speak naturally instead of typing. This tutorial outlines both methods. Method 1. Use voice mode in the browser mobile and web. Sign into your Claude account and open a new chat. Look near the chat input area for the voice icon and click it. Start speaking. Claude will listen and automatically convert your speech into a text prompt. After your message is processed, Claude can also respond with a voice reply. Method 2. Use voice mode on Claude Desktop app. Open the Claude Desktop app and go to Settings. Inside Settings, open the General section. Find the option labeled Speak to Claude from anywhere on your desktop. Assign a keyboard shortcut of your choice. Once set, press the shortcut anytime while using your computer, and Claude will open voice input mode instantly. Conclusion: voice mode in Claude AI is available through the browser on mobile and web, and through the desktop app with a custom keyboard shortcut. The feature converts speech to text and also supports voice responses, making interactions more natural and efficient.